Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've just deleted something super important? Like, maybe it's your travel footage, a work project, or literally your only copy of that Final Cut library? So I went looking for a proper data recovery tool for Mac, something that actually works, and not one of those shady free download, no recovery apps. And that's how I found Stellar Data Recovery for Mac. I've been testing it for a while now. And in this video, I'll show you how it works, what features it offers, how it performed in my tests, and whether it's really worth your money. Okay, let's get started. So, Stellar Data Recovery for Mac is a software that helps you recover lost or deleted files even from formatted or corrupted drives. You can use it on your Mac's internal storage or external drives, SSD, USB, even SD cards, pretty much anything you can plug into your Mac. It supports a PFS, HFS+, FAT, and even NTFS, which is great if you're switching between Mac and Windows drives. The setup is super simple. Download and install Stellar Data Recovery for Mac. With Stellar Data Recovery, recover the deleted or lost data from the hard drive or external storage media connected to the system. Almost all data of the volume can be found by performing recovery on the selected volume or removable media. From What to Recover screen, select the desired type of data such as documents, emails, videos, audio, or photos you wish to recover. From the Recover from screen, select the volume from which you want to recover the data. Or you can use the features what you need. In my case, I want to recover my YouTube footage from my SSD. I want to test Stellar on my 1TB external SSD that I use for video backups. Simply click the SSD drive and click Quick Scan. The quick scan took about 5 minutes and found most of my files, but the deep scan that took around 30 minutes found everything, even files I deleted months ago. The preview feature worked great. I could see thumbnails and even play short video clips before recovering them. The recovery process itself was fast and clean. It restored files with the same names and folder structure, no corrupted thumbnails, no broken file names. I also tried a corrupted SD card that my camera couldn't read, and guess what? It pulled back almost everything except one damaged file. That's impressive. And when you've found your deleted photos or videos, simply check the files you want to bring back, then click the Recover button. Next, select the target disk where you want to save the restored files. It's best to choose a different drive from where the data was lost and hit Recover again. Stellar will automatically restore your selected files into a safe folder with the same structure and original file names intact. The recovery process itself was fast and clean. It restored files with the same names and folder structure, no corrupted thumbnails, no broken file names. Now let's test to open the video and photo. As you can see, both files open perfectly, no corruption, no glitches, and the quality remains exactly the same as the original. This really proves that Stellar doesn't just find your lost data, it actually recovers it fully intact. Not only that, Stellar has additional features. First up, drive image creation, a lifesaver if your drive is failing or showing read errors. You can clone your drive before it completely dies, then recover from that image instead. This prevents extra stress on a failing drive. Honestly, it's a pro-level feature that not many recovery tools include. Next, speed up, kind of like a cleanup tool. It removes junk, system logs, and large, unused files. It's not as deep as CleanMeMac or DaisyDisk, but for a recovery app, it's a nice bonus. If your Mac's been sluggish, this can give it a quick tune-up. Then there's Duplicate File Finder. It scans your Mac or selected folders to find duplicate photos, videos, and docs. I tested it on my Downloads folder and found of duplicate files. So, yeah, it's not just recovery, it's handy for daily cleanup too. And finally, recovery from a non-booting MacBook. If your Mac won't start or is stuck on a gray screen, you can create a bootable USB using Stellar on another Mac. Then plug it in and recover your data without logging in. That's huge. Very few recovery tools offer this level of emergency recovery. The free version lets you recover up to 1 GB of data. So if you just lost a few documents or photos, that might be enough. But if you need more, the paid versions unlock unlimited recovery and all the advanced tools. deep scan, drive image, non-boot recovery, and more. There are 4 main plans: standard, professional, premium, and technician. Higher tires add features like photo or video repair, Linux file recovery, and virtual drive support. Honestly, if you work with large files or external drives often, it's worth upgrading. Alright, that's my full review of Stellar Data Recovery for Mac. If you want to try it out, check the link below. The free version lets you recover up to 1 GB so you can test it yourself. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Mac and Creator Tech videos.